Hey friends, this is Sumansmjain, your friend, and today I'm going to teach you how to promote your YouTube channel and your YouTube videos for free. So come on guys, let me show you the simple tricks. Okay, so this is what my channel, before talking about how you can improve these tricks, just subscribe to my channel so that you can get on a daily updates on the tips and tricks on digital marketing and social media. Okay, so for that thing, what I'm doing is I'm clicking one of my video. Okay, so you would see in my video, okay, not only in mine, even if you can see in the top YouTubers, you can see their videos. Okay, there are little hashtags which will be popping onto their videos. How is that possible? And when you click on this hashtags, you can see that this particular hashtags has been ranked, has been searched, and it acts as a keywords to most of your videos. And you can see here when I'm clicking on my channel, which I have apted, okay, when I just clicked on this keyword, and you can see my channel has been popped up in the search categories, and if someone clicks in, they would go to my channel and say they get all the information on all the tips and tricks of, if you can see here, right? So this is one of the best trick to get a lot more of free views and a lot more of promoting your channels to get more views and more subscribers. So how do you do it? When you check my description of my videos, you can see there's an hashtag. I'm using an hashtags with my channel name, and below complete description you can see there's a 1, 2 and 3. The first 3 keywords generally get SEO'd and ranked on your video whenever you get whenever you open your videos. If you can see, I just wanted to open one more videos. Okay, so when I click even on the other videos, if you can see here, only 3 of the keywords has been shown, because they are the first keywords whatever we are entering. So it has to be similar to your YouTube channel or what exactly the video is all about. So the first 3 video actually get ranked or actually be seen, but even these videos are also get ranked. The one more trick in this video is we use the comment sections. Okay, so if you are watching other people's videos which has a lot more of you subscribers and a lot more of views, somewhere between million views on some days, sometimes even in a week's time. So what you need to do is you need to comment below the videos. So if you can see here, I have already written a concept like wonderful video and tips for digital marketing. Click here. Okay, so what I'm doing is I am putting this information that I have watched those videos. Okay, so I just tell them, okay, I have watched your videos, thank you so much, and I'm just even putting this tips for digital marketing. Click here. That is what my marketing channel is all about, and I'm commenting below the videos which has highly viewed and which has highly subscribers. So what happens is when there is an engagement with other videos and other people are having a lot of comments, if someone clicks on this particular keyword, they would definitely go to my channel, to the videos which I make. So this is one kind of free promotions. Even if you get somewhere in a day about some 100 hits, also you get 100 people coming onto those of your channel. Among those 100, even 10 subscribe to your channel, you get 10 subscribers for free. So this is a main trick which most of the top YouTubers use it in order to make use of the free promotions onto their channels. Okay, so how you do it, you just need to go to your edit sections, and you can see here up top of my videos, okay, in the description. In this description, the first line should always be your title as well as the main keywords. Okay, then after that you need to use the hashtags. If you can see here, I'm using the hashtags with my channel name, and after below the description, at the end of the descriptions, you need to use whatever keyword you need to use. Minimally you can use somewhere between 6 to 10. Okay, so when you use this, the first 3 would actually get seen, which I've showed you earlier, into the channels. Even these also, the keywords get ranked. It takes little time, say about 1 month or 2 months to get ranked, but sometimes even if your channel name is something very unique, then it gets ranked immediately. So in this way you need to make your channel more interesting, get more promotions for free, build more subscribers and more views, even if your channel is new. Okay, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, like and share this video and subscribe to my channel so that you can get the tips and tricks on digital marketing and social media. Thank you so much for watching this video.